Hello everybody, this is Mike. Today I'm going to introduce you how to use Claude Code for your business or maybe for your startup without any technical background. As you can see, I have downloaded Cloud Desktop on my Mac OS. But to get started, how do you get this app? So basically, you can go back to your claude.ai, which is a web page, and you can click the download button at the bottom left, and you will see the download desktop button. For now, it only has Cloud for Mac OS. So this video we will mainly talk about Mac OS. So the first question is like, what is difference between like Cloud Web and like Cloud Code? So you can understand maybe for the Cloud Web we can only get like one question like is like, what is the U.S. stock market like today? So it will just do very like a basic questions and to get our first round like analysis. You can see it will read a lot of news and give you a quick answer. This is a web versions of like AI, which is a chatbot. So imagine you are doing something like consulting, like which is like outsourcing job. It will done it quickly. But if you are like become like a full-time employee, you will do it one thing more responsibly. So you will like hire a full-time employee, right? So we can ask the same question: what is the U.S. stock market like today? And we still use the cheapest model, but I do not suggest you use it. Just for demo purposes. So for Cloud Code, it will start like ask you for permissions because it is running on your own computer. You will need to always allow. By the way, you can also configure it to like accept edits, so it will can edit files and without asking for more permissions. And right now you can see the answer is very similar, right? It has some like major like indices, something like that. But we do not usually want to end up here. We want to use maybe AI to draw some like graphs or maybe charts, help us to understand. So the next question will be like, can you draw some graphs and charts? Help me understand that. So help me understand. So AI will start to do the code actually, and it will ask the questions because I do not know. I think do whatever the best. And here, when we go back to the web page, we can also ask the same question, and it will also start to draw some charts, I believe. And let's see, we will know the differences, and it will start some work. And on the top right hand side, we have the views. Right now, it opens like the charts, and this is just like a website, right? And I believe on the website it draws also draws the charts, and it is very interactive as well. So here it diverges. If it's on your computer, actually, when we always allow, let's see, we will see the file system, we will see all the things together, and you can actually move the Cloud Code folder onto different AI agents. Let's say next month you'd like to use OpenAI's Codex or others. So you do not want to use these AI models. You can just have the memory. So how do I find this memory, right? So you can go to Finder, find your like the Codex tutorial, and I can also open it in different AI agents. Let's say Codex or maybe Cursor. So it will all share the same files, and this is the basic differences between the web version and the local version of your AI. So right now it's like just a small web pages, right? So we want to maybe ask AI to draft an email to me like daily, or maybe like, can you draft an email for me for this with this graph? So AI can also, like, we use add, we can manage connectors, we can even use Chrome, and maybe we ask it to use Chrome, and the Cloud Code local version can open your browser, and when we allow that, it will open the Gmail, and it will do like control your browser to send the emails and do a lot of different stuffs, and it will do a lot of things. You can see it's very administrative, like your personal assistant. And you can also formalize this to an agent scale. Like, can you create a local agent scale for this, like an SOP? And AI can create this SOP. We call it agent scale, and it can be used later. So this is basically the Cloud Code. So let's go back a little bit to review what we learned today. So basically, we are using like this kind of tools designed specifically for programmers, but here we use it for like different purposes. Basically, we design SOPs for like things for stock market analysis. Also, you can use it for like meeting notes analysis, on data analysis, and doing a lot of research locally, where you keep the original files in your folder, and you can see all the files, and it will do it like a deep work actually, and you can see it is still working on that. It is great, and you can reuse that by open the folder into different agents. So that is the best part of like Cloud Code. So I have been using Cloud Code since last summer, and it do save like hundreds or even thousands of hours doing coding and or no coding work. In the future, I will also introduce you how to do like accounting, how to do like a meeting notes management. And if you are interested, please let me know in the comments below. And thanks for watching. I am Mike. See you next time. Bye bye.